It works on my machine.
The 4 words every developer dreads hearing. Virtual environments exist to kill that sentence forever.
Ay majas.
Episode 38, Virtual Environments and Packaging. Venv, pip, requirements.txt, pyproject.toml. Every real project, including every AI project, starts here.
Let's go.
Install packages globally and eventually something breaks. Project A needs requests version 2. Project B needs requests version 1.
Same machine, same Python, conflicting needs.
Upgrade for B, silently breaks. One global site packages can't serve 2 masters.
The fix: give every project its own isolated environment.
Venv creates an isolated Python environment. Python m venv myenv creates the folder. Activate it, myenv scripts activate on Windows. Source myenv bin activate on Mac and Linux.
Your prompt shows the env name in parentheses.
Now pip installs land inside myenv, not globally. Deactivate leaves the environment, no flags needed. Pip is Python's package installer. Pip install requests grabs the latest version.
Pip install requests equals 2.31.0 pins an exact version.
Pip uninstall requests removes it cleanly. Pip list shows everything installed in this env. Pip show requests version, location, dependencies. Pip install upgrade requests bumps to latest. Requirements.txt freezes your dependencies for sharing.
Pip freeze greater than requirements.txt.
Captures every package and its exact version. Someone else runs pip install -r requirements.txt.
Same environment, same versions, every time.
Commit this file to Git, never commit the venv folder. Reproducibility in 2 simple commands. Let's build a clean project from absolute zero. Step 1, Python m venv. Step 2, activate it. Step 3, pip install requests, pandas.
Step 4, pip freeze into requirements.txt.
Step 5, git init, commit code and requirements. Anyone who clones this gets an identical environment.
5 commands, 0 surprises.
30-second pause before the modern stuff. If you've ever broken a project with a global pip install, this channel is built exactly for you. 1 subscribe keeps the series going.
2 seconds. Tap it now.
Okay. Pyproject.toml and Editable installs next. Pyproject.toml is the modern packaging standard.
1 file replaces setup.py, setup.cfg, and more.
Build system section declares the build backend. Project section name, version, dependencies. Dependencies listed as a simple array. Optional dependencies, extras like dev or test. Tools like black and pytest red config from here too.
Pip install -e. The editable install.
Installs your local package in develop mode. Edit the source. Changes apply immediately.
No reinstall needed after every edit.
Essential for developing your own library. Pairs perfectly with pyproject.toml. Import your _package works from anywhere in the venv. Which tool for which job?
Isolate dependencies per project, venv. Install, remove, or upgrade packages, pip. Share a reproducible environment, requirements.txt. Build and publish a real package, pyproject.toml.
Develop your own library locally. Pip install -e. Never install packages globally for project work. 1 venv per project every single time. Common virtual environment mistakes. Mistake 1, committing the venv folder to Git. It's huge and machine-specific. Use .gitignore. Mistake 2, forgetting to activate before installing.
You just polluted your global Python again.
Mistake 3, unpinned requirements.txt. No versions means it breaks differently every install. Mini project, a reproducible ML environment. A folder with 1 script that uses pandas and numpy. Step 1, create and activate a fresh venv. Step 2, install pandas, numpy, scikit-learn. Step 3, freeze into requirements.txt.
Step 4, write a README with setup instructions.
Anyone clones it, runs 3 commands, it just works. Your challenge. Turn a script folder into an installable package. Step 1. Write a pyproject.toml. Step 2. Add a src layout with an underscore init. Step 3. Pip install -e. To test it. Bonus. Add an optional dev dependency group.
Paste your pyproject.toml in the comments.
I reply to every single one. Let's recap. venv isolates dependencies 1 per project. Pip install, uninstall, freeze, upgrade. Requirements.txt pinned, shareable, reproducible. Pyproject.toml, the modern standard for real packages. Editable installs. Pip install -e. For local dev. Next episode, logging. Replace print before you ship anything real. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you tomorrow.
Virtual environments unlocked.
Isolated, reproducible, shareable Python every project. It works on my machine, stops being an excuse. Subscribe for the next episode. Drop your pyproject.toml in the comments. I'm Mahaz. See you in episode 39.